Hey guys, I'm glad you're here. Today I'm spending my time trying to convert some things into other things. For instance, right now I'm trying to convert my brain into a monkey brain. I haven't been all that successful with it so far, but it's not bothering me so much because I've had a lot of success with another type of conversion. In fact, I'd like to show it to you. Meet me over at the drawing board. Okay, well, today you're going to see this amazing thing I've come up with. It's how to convert one kind of metric measurement into another kind of metric measurement. It's so exciting, and I'm going to show you how it works. But you're going to need eventually this tool right here. Of course, you copied that down a few days ago, and I'm sure it's possible somebody didn't copy it down. I can only imagine the horrible circumstances that might have led to somebody actually not getting this copied down. But in the event you didn't get this copied down, you need to pause this video and with this showing and do that right now. Get ready. Okay, pause. Okay, that should have been plenty of time because, well, of course, because you just, pause them. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to do a conversion, and I'm going to give you an example. So let's say that we've got 6 kilometers. 6 kilometers. I'm going to use the abbreviation. 6 kilometers. And we want to convert that into centimeters. In other words, we want to find out how many centimeters that is. Okay, 6 kilometers equals blank centimeters. It's blank because we don't know. So we're going to find out. Here's how it works. Okay, we got 6 kilometers, kilometers, kilo. See that? And there it is right there. There's the kilo. So right over that kilo slot, we're going to put the 6 like this, leaving room to put in a decimal point next to it too. That's really important, that decimal point. All right, now I'm going to kind of count my way over to the centimeter spot with that decimal point. I'm actually going to move the decimal point like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's the centimeter slot. The centi. Let's say I went 5 to the right. I'm going to write that down. 5 to the right. All right. So, that decimal point isn't there anymore because, moved it over there. So, there's our answer, but you might be going, well, but there's all this space. I mean, it doesn't make sense to go, yeah, it's this many centimeters. That's weird. That didn't make sense. We don't want to do that. So what we have to do is actually fill this space in with zeros, like this. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Look at all those zeros. So I moved the decimal point over to the new spot and then just filled everything in with zeros. So I'm going to write that up here now. 6, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. That looks like the number 600,000 to me. So it looks like 6 kilometers is equal to 600,000 centimeters. That's how it works. I'm going to do another one because it's always good to see a few examples. This time, let's convert 2 liters into milliliters. We'll find out how many milliliters there are in 2 liters. Okay, so we've got liters, 2 liters. Now it's not kiloliters, it's not hectoliters, it's not deciliters, it's not deciliters, it's just liters, it's just plain liters, which is our unit. So we're going to actually put it in the unit slot. 2 decimal point. All right, and now we've got to convert it to milliliters, to the milli slot. So I'm going to go over 1, 2, 3. I went 3 to the right. Get rid of that original one and fill in with zeros. That looks like 2,000. 2 liters is equal to 2,000 milliliters. Who would have guessed? There you go. The neat thing about this is it also can go this way. Let me show you. We'll take 3 millimeters and let's convert that. Let's get crazy. Let's convert it to kilometers. Equals how many kilometers? So we've got 3 millimeters. So I've got to go to the milli slot. 3 millimeters. And I've got to bring it all the way over here to the kilometers, the kilometers. Kilometers. So let me start skipping it over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow, I'm going to go 6 to the left. That's a long ways. And I've got to start filling in with zeros. Look at all those zeros, will you? So it looks like 3 millimeters is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a 3. Is 3 millimeters is equal to that many kilometers. Let's see if we can figure out what this is. Tenths, hundredths, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, millions. Okay, 3 millimeters is equal to 3 millionths of a kilometer. That's, 3 millionths, wow. Okay, now there's one more situation I want to show you. And the reason I want to show you this is because sometimes kids run into this type of situation and they freak out. And so I don't want anyone freaking out. So let's take a look. You might run into something like 17 kilometers, and you're trying to convert that into meters. And so you go, oh, well, I know how to do this. It's kilometers, so I have to put my number over the kilometer. You go, so I'll just put a 17 there, do I put both digits over the kilometers? Well, here you go. The answer is no, you don't. Here is exactly what you do. Whatever the last digit is, the far right digit, that's the one you put over this. No matter what, that last digit is the one you put over. So it's like 7, the 1 has to go out here. Like, let's say it was 25,917 kilometers. Okay, so the 7 still goes over the label. And then we have to put all the other numbers off to the, out to the left. But it's not that, so we're going to just go with the 17. So 17 kilometers is how many meters? Okay, there's our decimal point. 1, 2, and 3. It's to the meter spot. We weren't turning it to decameters. We weren't turning it into centimeters. Into meters right here. We went over 1, 2, 3. 3 spots. We went 3 to the right. And fill it in with zeros. It looks like 17 kilometers is equal to 17,000 meters. Okay. I can't wait to see what you guys do with this. And right now, I'm going to go because I have this overwhelming desire to go climb a tree and eat a banana.